for apple pie, ah ah ah. Apple pie warm and sweet. B is for brownie, blah blah blah. Brownie a chocolatey treat. C is for candy cane, ka ka ka. Candy cane red and white. D is for donut, da da da. Donut a sugary delight. E is for Eclair, E E E Eclair filled with cream. F is for Fudge F F Fudge, a rich dessert dream. G is for gummy bears, G G Gummy bears chewy and bright. H is for honeycomb, ha ha ha. Honeycomb a sticky delight.
I is for ice cream, ice cream in a waffle cone. J is for jelly, chew jelly in powder shown. K is for Kitkat, Kitkat with layers so neat. L is for lollipop, lollipop, a sugary treat. M is for marshmallow, marshmallow, fluffy and light. N is for nugget, no, a sweet delight for kids. O is for Oreos, oh, cookies so fine. P is for pudding, creamy and divine.
From the oven. R is for rainbow cake, rainbow cake with colors all loving. S is for s'mores, s'mores by the campfire's glow. T is for taffy, taffy yummy and sweet. U is for upside down cake, upside down cake free and sweet.
It's for vanilla ice cream, lovable vanilla ice cream, a classic treat. W is for waffle cone, waffle cone with scoops on top. X is for Chihuahua, sweet to the drop. Y is for yam, yam, they're so fine. Z is for zephyr cake, zephyr cake, a fluffy design. Alphabets and sweets, let's sing along. Learning about them, it's never wrong.